What happens when a friend tells a big lie? A poor merchant trusts his friend with an iron balance. Years later, he hears something shocking. Can truth defeat clever cheating? Let's find out in The Iron Balance. Story: The Iron Balance. Once there was a rich merchant. He lived in a big town. One day, he lost all his money and goods. He became very poor. So, he decided to go to another place to earn again. Before leaving, the merchant gave his iron balance to a close friend. He said, "Please keep this safely. I will return one day." The friend agreed and kept the balance. After many years, the merchant returned. He had earned money again. He went to his friend and asked for his iron balance. The friend became clever and greedy. He did not want to return the balance. The friend said, "I am very sorry. Mice have eaten your iron balance." The merchant understood that his friend was lying, but he stayed calm and did not argue. The next day, the merchant invited the friend's young son to his house. He kept the boy with him for some time. In the evening, the friend came running and asked for his son. The merchant said calmly, "I am sorry. A kite flew away with your son." The friend became angry and said, "This is impossible. A kite cannot take a boy." The merchant smiled and said, "If mice can eat an iron balance, then a kite can also take a boy." The friend understood his mistake. He felt ashamed. He immediately returned the iron balance to the merchant and apologized. The merchant forgave him and went home happily. Moral: a lie can be answered only with wisdom, not anger. The merchant did not shout or fight. He used wisdom and calm words. Truth defeated the lie, and justice won. Remember, honesty always shines brighter than cheating. Like, share, subscribe for more simple and meaningful stories.